Difficult and time-consuming manual setup reduces the productive machining time of your CNC milling machines, which can impact your profitability. The automated probing cycles within Autodesk Fusion 360, however, can help increase process reliability, improve part accuracy, and maximize your productivity. Quickly and accurately set up your stock material or part process components on the machine tool and create the required toolpaths, all within a single unified user experience. Drive your spindle-mounted probe with NC code to set up your stock material automatically with work coordinate system probing, rapidly measuring your stock material to update the stock zero location, or take action if the stock material is the wrong size or out of position. Measure geometry features such as hole sizes and channel widths, reporting results against tolerance, and adjusting tool wear for subsequent operations to improve part accuracy. Address features in multi-axis orientations with intuitive orientation controls to easily set probing directions. Create sequences on non-prismatic freeform parts using probed surface points to generate a part alignment. This automatically adjusts the part orientation on the machine based on a series of linear translations and axial rotations of the component to accurately machine the next processes. Verify your parts without taking them off the machine to check part accuracy before moving to subsequent operations or final inspection. Unexpected variation can be detected and remedied immediately, minimizing costs and improving efficiency. And generate reports to record and share measurement results, helping to communicate and confirm part accuracy with the rest of the team. Make the new possible with all this and more in Autodesk Fusion 360.